Avalanche slide value is equal to $9.02 per coin. The current rate is $8.90 to $9.58, up from $8.95 at the end of the previous day. The change was plus 0.052 plus 0.58%. Avalanche slide price prediction for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. First cost at $9.98 in September 2023, highest cost at $9.98 in 2026, and so on. $104 least expensive. The average for the month is $8.37, $9.38. Cost of an Avalanche slide near the end of the month $94 change for September 99.4% AX to US dollars estimates for October 2023 to start with C. Cost at $9.40 highest cost $977 is the least. The average for the month is $7.38 near the end of the month. The cost of an Avalanche fall was $883. Change of $913 for the 1% Avalanche slide cost estimate for November 2023, which was originally priced at $9.13 most expensive. $9.30 least expensive. The average for the month is $713. The cost of an Avalanche fall is guessed to be $827 by the end of the month. Change of $767 for November 16% Avax. The US dollars estimates for December 2023 at $7.67 most extreme cost before all else. Cost least $88. The average for the month is $72. The estimated cost of an Avalanche fall is $758. Change of $755, 1.6%. For December Avalanche slide cost prediction for January 2024 highest cost at $7.50, $755 is the least. The average for the month is $648. Near the end of the month, the cost of an Avalanche fall was $714. Change for January of 7.7% in the VX to US dollar predictions for February 2024 highest cost at $6.97 least expensive, $6.97. The average for the month is $544. $631 Avalanche slide cost figure at the end of the month $585 change for February 16.1% Avalanche slide cost estimate for WAC 2024 before all other costs at $5.85 most extreme cost $65 most expensive $525 is the average amount for a month. $5.70 Avalanche slide price guess at the end of the month $500